look, it's a large audience, very surprised of good professional and good debate for finding or solution to common challenges. So I'm looking forward to the next sessions of the event.
Firstly, I think it's great what you're doing. I think getting people together for a couple of days and also getting people together at a certain level, I think is important because you can have the right conversation. So I think it's good so far.
I think it's an interesting blend of external speakers and industry speakers. So you get a good mix of CIOs and people such as Google here talking about their perspective. So it's a good mix. It's nice to see different companies, different segments of the market, and see what challenges they're facing and how they're responding to them.
That's what I said previously. It's a very relevant set of speakers. It's very focused on broker intermediate business, commercial lines, which a lot of these events don't really provide for, so it's good for me.
I really enjoy being able to talk to market peers that I don't often get the opportunity to interact with and talk to. So from a networking perspective, it's really good. It's really good just to hear the themes and the trends that are going on across the business that, as I say, you kind of hear snippets from in the trade press, but outside that you don't hear much from.
I think it's really interesting to hear and see what other people are doing in the roundtable discussions. Some really good presentations from sort of LV and from Google. And good to hear everybody seems to have that sort of common strand of how can we use data more effectively in the business, and that seems to be something that from an insurance perspective everybody's looking to leverage more over the next couple of years more than anything else.
I was surprised how much commonality there was. You forget when you're pushing an agenda and ploughing a furrow to enable people to think much more customer focused, and when that hasn't been what's happened historically. So it's kind of nice to hear that everyone else is in that same boat.
I think it's a great place to really look at some of the issues that we face as a technology industry, and it's a good way for me to understand where I stand in relation to how my peers are dealing with these problems.
TINtech's arguably one of the biggest events in the UK or Europe on the technology front for insurers. We find it increasingly a place where innovation is born, and we're very interested to see the way that themes and issues change from year to year. We enjoy being here and very much enjoy being a sponsor.
I think it's just great that everyone comes to it and is able to talk about technology. It's a very easy thing to try and for people not to talk about or not to want to talk about. So it's good that the conference has so many people that come and actually want to hear from others about how they're able to solve what may be seen as technologically advanced problems in fairly easy ways. So I think it's I love it.